Welcome back to Trending Cars. Today we are taking you on an exclusive ride through one of the most premium luxury RV in the world, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. Cadillac has always been known for its style, comfort, and prestige in the automotive industry, and now the brand has entered the motorhome space with a vehicle that brings all the elegance of a Cadillac sedan, combined with the freedom of a luxury home on wheels. This is not just a motorhome. It is a rolling palace designed for those who want nothing but the very best while traveling. Let's dive deep into the details and see what makes this Cadillac motorhome stand out from the rest. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Cadillac motorhome instantly turns heads wherever it goes. Cadillac has infused its signature design language with sleek aerodynamic lines, a bold front grille with the iconic crest, and futuristic LED lighting that stretches across the width of the vehicle. The large panoramic windshield provides a commanding view of the road while giving the vehicle a very modern and futuristic face. The chrome accents, sculpted body panels, and flush-mounted door handles give it that extra premium touch that you would expect from a Cadillac. Massive alloy wheels, adaptive air suspension, and a low smooth stance make this motorhome look as elegant as it is powerful. Cadillac has also worked on making this RV highly aerodynamic despite its size, reducing drag and improving efficiency. On the sides, you will notice extendable slide-outs that expand the interior space once parked, transforming the motorhome into a full-sized luxury suite. The rear has a striking design with futuristic taillights, dual exhaust outlets, and a high-mounted camera system for easy maneuvering. Every detail of the exterior has been designed to make this motorhome look like a luxury yacht on wheels. Moving to the interior, this is where the Cadillac motorhome truly shines. Stepping inside feels like entering a five-star hotel. Cadillac has used the finest materials including real wood trims, brushed aluminum, and premium leather upholstery. The spacious cabin is flooded with natural light thanks to the panoramic windows and skylight ceiling. The living area is designed with lounge-style seating that can easily be converted into sleeping quarters, and the soft ambient lighting adds to the relaxing atmosphere. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances like a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and even a wine cooler. The cabinetry is finished in high-gloss wood with soft close drawers, giving a premium feel every time you touch it. The dining and lounge area seamlessly transition into a full entertainment space with a massive OLED smart TV, surround sound speakers, and smart connectivity features. Moving towards the rear, you'll find the master suite, which feels like a luxury hotel room. It comes with a king-sized bed, memory foam mattress, high-quality linens, and ample storage with walk-in closet space. The ensuite bathroom is equally luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower, heated flooring, dual sinks, and premium finishes everywhere you look. Every detail has been thought out to maximize comfort during long journeys. In terms of technology, Cadillac has packed this motorhome with cutting-edge features. A fully digital cockpit gives the driver access to navigation, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and AI-based route planning that suggests the best paths for large vehicles. There's also a heads-up display, night vision assist, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this giant surprisingly easy. Passengers can control lighting, temperature, and entertainment through voice commands or the integrated Cadillac Smart app. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Cadillac motorhome comes with a powerful hybrid drivetrain that combines a V engine with electric motors, producing over 650 horsepower. This ensures smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. The hybrid system also improves fuel efficiency, giving this luxury motorhome a respectable range for long trips. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride on highways, as well as stability when parked. It even has an optional all-wheel drive system for those who want to take it beyond the paved roads. The advanced braking system, along with multiple drive modes, makes it as easy to handle as possible given its size. And now the big question, what about the price? Cadillac is positioning this motorhome as a premium offering in the luxury RV segment. The starting price is expected to be around $600,000, but with added customizations, high-end packages, and bespoke interior designs, the cost can easily exceed $1 million. For buyers in this category, it's not just about owning a vehicle, it's about owning a statement of luxury, freedom, and exclusivity. So that wraps up our detailed review of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. It's an ultimate blend of performance, technology, and unmatched luxury, offering the perfect home away from home for those who demand the very best. If you're someone who wants to travel the world without compromising on comfort and prestige, then this Cadillac Motorhome is a dream come true. Wait,